We all have hobbies, right? But are we really using them in the right way? Most of the time, we are just using them to pass the time. What if I tell you that you can use your hobbies to improve your English? In today's video, you are going to hear a simple conversation about how hobbies can help you practice English. If you want to speak English more confidently, this video is perfect for you. So without further delay, let's get started.
Rahul, can I ask you something? You always look so productive. How do you manage your time? I make plans but end up scrolling on my phone.
Honestly, that used to be my problem too. Then I made one small rule. Even if I have just 20 minutes, I spend it on improving one skill. Tell me, do you use your free time for English practice?
Honestly, not really. I watch English movies but only for fun. I don't feel like I'm learning.
Then change the method. First, watch a short scene with subtitles. Then, watch the same scene again without subtitles. After that, repeat the dialogues aloud.
Okay, that sounds interesting, but won't it take too much time?
Not at all. Just 15 minutes a day is enough. Consistency matters more than long hours.
I think my mistake is watching full movies at once and forgetting everything.
Exactly. Instead, pick a few useful daily sentences from each scene. Like, that sounds great. What do you mean? Give me a minute. These are the expressions we actually use in real life.
True, in school we learn grammar but not how to speak naturally.
Correct. By the way, do you read in English?
I try, but whenever I see tough words, I lose interest.
Don't run to the dictionary every time. First, guess the meaning from the sentence. It trains your brain to think in English.
Oh, so reading becomes easier and faster that way?
Yes. And slowly you'll stop translating in your head.
My biggest problem is speaking. I understand English, but I feel nervous when I open my mouth.
I improve that by talking to myself in English.
Talking to yourself, really? How?
Simple. While cooking, I say, now I'm cutting the vegetables, now I'm adding salt, the food smells good. It sounds funny, but it builds fluency.
That's actually brilliant. No fear, no hesitation.
Exactly. Fluency comes when we stop being afraid of mistakes.
Do hobbies really help in learning English?
Definitely. When you connect English with your hobby, learning becomes fun. For example, I listen to English podcasts while walking.
Oh, nice. So you're learning and relaxing at the same time.
Yes, interest creates attention, and attention creates learning.
I usually watch cooking videos on YouTube. Maybe I should watch them in English.
Perfect. You learn cooking vocabulary and daily use sentences together.
Do you write anything in English every day?
Yes, I keep a short journal, just 5 simple sentences about my day.
Only 5 sentences?
Yes. For example, today I learned a new word. I practiced speaking for 10 minutes. I felt more confident.
That looks easy. I think I can start doing that today.
Start small, but do it daily. That's the secret of fluency.
This conversation itself is teaching me so many useful expressions.
That's why speaking practice is powerful. When we use English in real conversations, we remember it longer.
One last thing, how do you stay motivated every day?
I don't wait for motivation. I follow a routine. Even 10 minutes of practice is enough.
So the goal is daily practice, not perfection.
Exactly. Fluency is a journey.
I'm feeling inspired now. From today, I'll watch short English clips, I'll speak to myself in English, I'll write a daily journal.
Perfect plan. And let's talk in English for 10 minutes every day.
Deal. Next time, we'll discuss our daily routine only in English.
Done. Step by step, we'll become fluent. Fluency doesn't come overnight, it comes from small daily practice. Here's a simple timeline you can follow every day. Morning 10 minutes. Watch one short English clip with subtitles, then again without subtitles. Repeat 2 3 dialogues aloud. Afternoon 5 minutes. Talk to yourself in English while doing a small task, cooking, walking, or arranging your desk. Evening 10 minutes. Write a short journal, just 5 sentences about your day. Example: Today I learned a new word. I practiced speaking. I felt confident. That's only 25 minutes a day, but if you do it consistently, your English will improve faster than you imagine. If this routine feels useful, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. That way, you'll get more practical tips and daily practice ideas. Remember, fluency is a journey, not a race. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Your English journey starts today.